Anything outside of what we've agreed on as the scope, we need to go through the change management board and update the scope and do a change. Again, what's included, what's not included. What's not included, hey, maybe we can put on a backlog or something of that nature to maybe address it later, saying, hey, maybe we can add it. If we see it makes sense to add it to this project, we will. If not, then we're not going to do it. We can put it in our lessons learned as saying, hey, we came up with some ideas and we documented it in our lesson learned. The final point, and the reason why I use this, again, I said if I was able to remix the iron triangle, this particular item would be there. I wouldn't call it this. I would probably call it resource constraint. But in today's video, the actual number point is resource allocation. It's effectively assigning and managing people, time, and material. You know, the reason why I said I would want to add that to the iron triangle is because of the fact that I am noticing with projects is that I'm seeing more resource constraints, and it's not because the resources are not there, but it's they're being pulled in various areas on top of working their day to day. So resource constraints has to be tightened up better. We have to lead better.